All right, we're here with the managing partner, Mike Marks from Indian River Consulting Group, and we're ready for Stump the Consultant. Distributors complain about manufacturers creating channel conflict. So why do they keep making it worse?
Whining is not a business strategy. Manufacturers have to have market coverage. If you're a manufacturer, to work for your shareholders, you have to be able to cover the full market. The market has gone to multiple channels, and every market has multiple ways people can get product, from Amazon to Home Depot to distributors and everything in the middle. The absence of channel conflict is an indication of poor market coverage for a manufacturer. Manufacturers have to get market coverage. The way a distributor deals with this is to make sure that they have a value proposition that is significantly different in the mind of the customer than everybody else. If they're the same as everybody, we sell service with excellent people, then price is always going to win.